Oh, this is my first bike check with the whole bike's aftermarket. I spent a little over just under 2,000 bucks for the whole thing. The frame I have is the Eastern Dragon 3 frame. By the way, this will be a two-part video. Uh, Besides that, the frame, I like it, but there's things I don't like about it. Like, one, this, too short. It needs to be about that much higher. Only because with my seat all the way down, the edge of my seat, because it's plastic, the seat would dig into my ankle when I do 180s, so I had to hire it, and my seat post is only about that long, and I got the integrated seat clamp, so that's as much seat posted as I have, because I cut it off. Now where it is, if I do 180s, that digs into the side of my leg. That's the only downside. Well, there's another thing. Thing with this frame is, yes, they cut in half, or cut down it. The other thing is they should have this hole way down in here. They should have covered that up or gave me a plastic sleeve with this frame because I like riding in the dirt, the rain, anywhere pretty much. Street, but I would get dirt and water and stuff like that get down in there, and I actually every once in a while I like taking apart my bike, completely cleaning it, and then putting it back together. Um, but when I was taking the crank off, I think it was this side, the bearing was actually the outer bearing race was actually rusted to the frame, and it was stuck. So I had to get that out. Um, then I put a 5 hour energy drink bottle in there. I cut off both ends and then put a split down the middle, and then I fitted it in there. Same thing with up here. I took a Monster Hitman and did the same thing. Cut the top and bottom off, put a split down the middle, seal that up. Um, Besides that, that one section right there is the only problem I had. Besides this being as short as it is. But full picture of the whole bike. It's a point. No, not point. 21 top tube. It's the only. I got the last coffee one in the point or the 21-inch top tube. You can still find this frame on other sites, but you can get. I think the only one I've been able to find is a white 20-inch top tube. For 180 something. Got a frame for about 200 bucks. Yeah, the Wii people integrated headset. These are the McNeil Blizzard forks, and when I got them with this, when I put them on this bike, it was sticking out off the top about that much. So I put the stem on. I put the spacers, then this bolt on top, put that on, and then I cut it, and then I fit it on with right before this one I had a Eastern headset, integrated headset, and when I got this one it was too tall, so I had to cut that off for this to fit down all the way, because when it was as tall as it was, the middle of this tube was in the middle of this stem, which was not good at all. Besides that, I have the Primo Alienation stem, lightest normal looking stem out there, 7 ounces for that stem. I have the McNeil silencer bars, 5-inch or 5-degree back sweep, which is nice because I don't like a lot of back sweep, but all the bars out there now have like a 10-inch, 12-inch. I can't find a 5-pack sweep with an 8-inch rise. These are 7-inch rise with 25 wide, which I like. I can't find those anymore. I cannot find this front rim. This is the McNeil rim with the hub guard or the spoke guard and the Alex Super B rim on it. Got that from Dan's Comp. I can't even find that rim anymore. I don't even know what it's named. Oh, maybe I do. I haven't been able to find the rim. Same thing with these bars. These are the silencer bars, but they're not the XL. I think that's what they're called. These were the original ones. Now, down here, got this seat. I don't know how I'm not sure if that's a C or a D, but I'm not positive on that one. I have a Coalition 25 sprocket, 7-something thousand aluminum, and a KMC chain. With the Haro conversion kit, the 25/9 conversion kit rim, I like it, but I will tell you more about it after I launch the other one, because it's stupid that YouTube has you only giving you 10 minutes. And what I'm going to say about that rim is going to take a little bit more than 4 minutes. But I'll get back to you then.